I think it sees it. I think it sees it.
Yep, there it comes.
Oh my God! Holy cow!
That is a pig.
Holy cow!
That is a pig now.
Back of the boat. Back of the boat. Back
Okay.
Of the boat. What do we have there, Jason? What do we have there?
It's a behemoth. Gracious
Mossy
sakes.
jaws, baby. Mossy jaws.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen a crappie that big in person.
Holy cow.
Goodness
Look at the size
sakes.
of this fish.
Well, I know I ain't never caught one that big. I ain't never seen anybody catch one that big, not in person.
So big in right there. He's over 2, I promise you that.
Oh yeah, he's way over 2.
He's about 2.5. 2.5.
Look at that. Look, that's my hand. thing's the size of a hubcap. All right, well, we gotta weigh it.
All right. 250.
Okay. Yeah, I'd say. Yeah.
250. 242.
242. Gosh knows what a tank.